Take half kilo desi country chicken. I take well washed country chicken or desi chicken half kilo. Now I marinate it with spice and curd. One teaspoon green chili paste, garlic paste, curd, 2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon more, dry chili paste, ginger paste, salt and turmeric powder according to your taste. Spice washing water where you grind your all the spices. Don't throw it, it give more taste in it. Now marinate with add mustard oil in it, around 1 tablespoon. Now nicely marinate it. Now after marination, cover it with a lid and keep it in a fridge all overnight, or you have no time, then around 20 to 30 minutes. For marination. Now hot oil in a pan. Take corn flour, chickpea flour, little bit of black salt, little bit of black pepper powder, little bit of turmeric, little bit of kesher, and little bit of kasuri methi leaves, little bit of ginger, little bit of garlic. Mix it. Add 1 teaspoon butter and mix it nicely. Now we'll coat all the chicken. Now fry it in hot oil. Now flip the chicken. Fry it golden in color. Cook it in low flame and golden in color. Serve it nicely.